Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn here the process of comparing two numbers. When we are asked to compare between two numbers, then one number may be bigger than other, or one number may be smaller than other, or both may be equal. Suppose A and B are two numbers, then if A is bigger than B, it is expressed as A greater than B. If A is smaller than B, then it is expressed as A is smaller than B. If A and B are both equal, then we express it as A equal to B. Now let us take two numbers to compare them. Number is 592 and another number is 654. Now here 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, and 5 is in hundreds place. In the same way, here 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, and 6 is hundreds place. So first of all, we have to compare hundreds column in case of 3-digit number, hundreds column. So here hundreds column, 5 is the number. Here in this case 6 is in hundreds column. Since 6 is bigger than 5, therefore 654 is bigger than 592. This is one type. Second type, suppose hundreds place in both the numbers same. So suppose 6, 9, 2, here 6, 5, 4. In this case both the numbers hundreds place is same. Then we will compare the tens place number. So here tens place is 9, here it is 5. Since 9 is bigger than 5, therefore in this case 692 is bigger than 654. Now suppose both hundreds and tens places in both the cases same. Suppose 6, 9, here also 6, 9, then 2, 4. So both the cases hundreds place and tens place same. Then we'll compare. In this case ones place, here ones place is 4, here it is 2. Since 4 is bigger than 2, therefore 694 is greater than 692. So this is how we have to find the biggest number and smallest number. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.